Gratitude is a very powerful transformational tool, and also one of the most powerful tools for manifesting better things in your life. The gratitude is to acknowledge the good in your life now. Now let's talk about this for a moment. This does not mean that you have a conceptual idea of what your life is, and then you compare it to somebody else's life, and you say, oh, really, I should be happy because I have it so much better than look at these people. It's worse than mine, so I really should be grateful for my life. That's not it. That's not real gratitude. You're moving within the conceptual realm, and your feeling of well-being is dependent on somebody else who has less than you or is suffering more than you. So gratitude is not if you compare yourself, because that's a misconception, a very common misconception of gratitude. But no, that's not real gratitude. You're depending on others to be worse off than you so that you can feel gratitude. It's crazy. It feeds the ego. No, gratitude is to acknowledge the good that's in your life now, this moment. Okay, so it's not the good in your life situation. I'm fine because I have achieved this or that or whatever. No, at this moment. And that's simple things. It really comes down to simple things. What can I be grateful for at this moment? I can be grateful for. Now, what is it? To be grateful is to acknowledge something, to give it attention, and to appreciate it. I'm lucky to have these trees here, and I often sit here for 10, 15 minutes, and there's a continuous feeling of goodness, and that's called, we could call that gratitude, but I don't say in my mind, I'm so grateful for these trees. I simply appreciate the wonder and aliveness, the beingness of these trees. So I acknowledge the good in this moment by appreciating the wonder, the miracle of these trees. Oh. You drink a glass of water, acknowledging your breathing. So that's gratitude. The gratitude is the appreciation of life that's around you. So you can say the gratitude for being alive, to feel that you're alive in your entire body, the inner body, the invisible presence that inhabits the body, to feel that. So all the little things, gratitude is best applied to all the small things that continuously surround you in life. And then you see the goodness of it all,